boys and girls. Welcome to our party. His name is Julie, her name is Mary Ellen, and my name is Mary.
First, you are going to see Hocus and Lotus story. Give a big hand to Marcel, Luca, and Monas.
One day, Hocus and Lotus were at home, where they came in to visit them that afternoon. Hocus was preparing tea.
That's time. Let's prepare the tea. Chocolate on the plate and something else. Flowers, juice, lemonade. We haven't any lemonade. I'm going to buy the lemonade. Don't touch the chocolate. Now, Hocus. You won't touch the chocolate with me?
No, I won't touch the chocolate.
I'll see you in a minute.
See you, Hocus. Bye-bye.
Lotus helped her with Lotus sat in her chair looking at the chocolate.
So much chocolate. Chocolate. I like chocolate. That is for us. And that is for Hocus. That is for me. And that is for... That is for us. And that is for Hocus. That is for me. And that is for nobody. That is for nobody. I eat it. Yummy. Delicious. 1, 2, and 3. That's right. That is for us. That is for Hocus. That is for me. That is for me. I eat it. Yummy. Delicious. 1 and 2. That's right. That is for us. It's very big. Yummy. Now this big is too big. Yummy, delicious. Now those bits are too small. Too small, I eat them.
Ah, my tummy. I got a tummy ache.
After a while, Hocus and Lotus come back home.
Hello, Lotus. I have the lemonade. What's wrong with you?
I put a pain
Where?
here in my tummy.
Poor Lotus. Come here. Come here. Come here. My dear. Come on. Is better now?
I'm cold. I want a blanket.
Is better now?
A pillow. I want a pillow.
Is better now?
My teddy. I want my teddy bear.
Is better now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Now I'm going to call the doctor.
The doctor?
Yes, because you are ill.
An injection? I don't want an injection. I'm feeling better now, much better.
No, no, just
Oh no.
Ya está el moment of the knock at the door. Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock.
the doctor is coming. Ah, it's what? Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
So the Lotus is here.
Oh dear, poor Lotus. I come tomorrow.
Okay.
This present is for Lotus.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
It wasn't the doctor. It was right. It was the
A present for me? Great. What could it be? A puzzle? A book? Chocolate? Oh no.
And that's all.